Picture this, your Google Pixel's home screen just got a thrilling makeover, transforming the way you interact with your apps. It's like giving your phone a personality boost. Dive into the latest Android 16 QPR3 beta update, and you'll discover tweaks that polish the experience in the final stretches of this software version. From a sleek new folder animation to handy customization options, these changes are all about making your device feel more intuitive and visually appealing. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Google prioritizing flashy animations over deeper functionality, or are these subtle enhancements exactly what Pixel users have been craving? Let's unpack it all, step by step, so even if you're new to Android updates, you'll grasp the excitement without feeling overwhelmed. The newest beta drop introduces a breathtaking new animation for app folders on the home screen, injecting a dose of dynamism that previous versions lacked. In older builds, tapping a folder would simply make it expand smoothly, efficient, sure, but a bit flat and unremarkable. Now, the update brings in what's essentially a Hitchcock zoom effect, named after the iconic cinematic technique from films like Vertigo, where the camera zooms in while the scene retreats, creating a disorienting yet mesmerizing pull. Here, when you tap an app folder, it expands outward while the background behind it shrinks in perfect harmony. The outcome? A crisp, fluid motion that screams modern Android elegance. For beginners, think of it as the difference between flipping a page in a book versus having the page magically unfold with a cinematic flair. It's not just functional, it adds a layer of delight to daily interactions. Comparing the stable Android 16 folder animation to this QPR3 version, it's like night and day. The old one was solid, but this feels alive and engaging. But this is the part most people miss. Does this upgrade truly elevate productivity, or is it just eye candy that might distract more than help? Alongside this animation revamp, Google has refined how you access themed icon options in the customization menu. Building on adjustments from the QPR2 beta, where themed icons got a rebrand and a custom choice, the latest update relocates this feature right next to the existing icon shape selection. No longer buried elsewhere, the options, still limited to default and minimal styles, are now conveniently grouped together. This makes switching between them during wallpaper tweaks a breeze, enhancing the overall personalization flow. Imagine you're setting up a new wallpaper and want your icons to match seamlessly. These tweaks ensure you can toggle between shapes and themes without hunting through menus. That said, the number of icon shapes remains unchanged at 5 distinct varieties, and regrettably, they still don't apply to the app drawer, a limitation that might frustrate those seeking full customization. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that restricting themes to the home screen alone keeps things simple and prevents clutter, while others see it as an unfinished feature that could make Android customization feel half-baked. What side are you on? These enhancements are rolling out right now to eligible Google Pixel devices enrolled in the beta program. For a deeper dive into every tweak uncovered so far, don't miss our comprehensive breakdown. https://9to5google.com/2025/12/android-16-QPR3-beta-1-everything-new. Want more on Android 16 QPR3? Check out these related reads. Here's everything new in Android 16 QPR3 Beta 1 Gallery. https://9to5google.com/2025/12/17/android-16-QPR3-beta-1-everything-new. Android 16 QPR3 lets you adjust flashlight brightness on Pixel. https://9to5google.com/2025/12/17/android-16-QPR3-flashlight. Android 16 QPR3 adds a blue dot to show when apps are using your location. https://9to5google.com/2025/12/17/android-16-QPR3-blue-dot-location-notification. Google Pixel adds Samsung's navigation button layout in latest Android 16 beta. https://9to5google.com/9to5google.com/2025/12/17/google-pixel-samsung-navigation-buttons-layout-beta. Add 9 to 5 Google to your Google News feed. https://news.google.com/CAQBWG:/en-US$CED=US$CED=US://CED=US:/en. FTC, we use income earning auto affiliate links. More. https://9to5mac.com/about/number-affiliate. So, what do you think about these Android 16 QPR3 updates? Do you love the new folder animation, or does it feel like unnecessary fluff? Is Google's approach to icon customization hitting the mark, or should they expand it further? And here's a thought-provoking twist. Could these minor tweaks be a sign that Android is evolving beyond just features into a more emotionally engaging platform? Drop your opinions in the comments, agree, disagree, or share your own experiences. We'd love to hear from you.